Well, here I am the night before Pumpkin Fest. Figured I'd come around, drop off my stuff. So let's take this load up there now. Hold on, let's turn. Oh, hey, slow down. Good Lord. Yeah. Right here. Got my own canopy. Brought some stuff up here. What do we got here? Oh yeah, baby. Number 55. Stay alive. Cadillac Jacks. Here we go. Let's drop this load off. Finish dropping the other crap off. Come back in the morning. Until then, y'all have a fantastic week. Love y'all. Be safe. Until next time. Till tomorrow. Well, hold on, let's just drop this off. Let me pause this. Happy, happy joy. Couldn't fit another joy on there, but you get the idea. Just having fun with this board. Scrap board anyway. Alright. Head back to the trailer. Get another load. Thank God for this dolly. I've had this thing for about 25 years, I believe, or longer. Yeah, long time. 22 years. Love it. Gotta finish getting this, so I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Where we at? Oh, no. You show the license plate. Oh, got some signs there. Alright, I gotta get this done so I go home and go to bed. Love y'all. Be safe. Have a fantastic day. Until tomorrow. Until tomorrow, y'all. A wily-eyed, wily-haired, crazy Indian boy.